Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing another Ibotta haul. So this one is actually a Moneymaker. So everything in this video is completely free and a $4.55 Moneymaker. And so our bonus was $5 and I only had to do 7 or 8 offers. And I'm going to show you guys what I got today, and half of the items are things that I've already gotten before and the other half are brand new and they're really great offers. So run to Walmart and let's get started and see what I got. And then one of the items that I grabbed actually stacks with 2 offers, so that one is a really great deal and ends up being about $1. And let's get started and see what I bought today. And if you're new to my channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you can see next week's deal. Alright, so this is the first item that I grabbed. I got the Yoplait. You can get the regular or the light. My store was all out of the regular, which I usually like eating, but I guess we're going to be healthy this week. And I got the light. So this is priced at $3.98. You're going to get back $3.98 on Ibotta, making this completely free. And then because this offer just keeps resetting, I've already done this 3 times and it's been completely free each time. So hopefully it just keeps resetting, but because I bought this 3 times already, you're going to get a 50-cent bonus. So if you bought it 3 times too, you'll get that 50-cent bonus, making this a 50-cent moneymaker. Okay, so the next deal is on these Oreos. You have to get the one that says Dynasty. They're on clearance on my store for $1.50. You're gonna want to buy 2 to do this offer. So the Oreos are priced at $1.50 each. You're gonna buy 2 of them, making it $3. Ibotta's gonna give you back $3.67, making this a 67-cent moneymaker. Alright, so this is the next deal. I did this one last week, and so if you buy 2 of them, it actually is a better price because it's like 67 cents for 2 for the first time that you buy it. But because we've already used that little bonus, we're only going to buy 1. So this is $1.57. You're going to get back $1 on Ibotta, making this only 57 cents. Okay, so this is the next deal. And so we're doing the Pokemon cereal, the family size. And so this is priced at $3.64. You're going to get back $2 on Ibotta for buying the Pokemon cereal. You're going to get back 1,000 points on Fetch, which is like $1. And then you're also going to get another $1 back on Fetch. And one of them is for buying the Pokemon cereal, and then the other is a bonus for buying any new cereal. And there's like a couple different ones, but this is the one that I picked up. So this is the Pokemon one. Check your Fetch to see if you have that bonus. And then you'll also get 36 points on Fetch. So this makes it a 72-cent moneymaker. This is completely free. I think it also works on the strawberry Cheerios. I just have been unable to find those. And this one actually looks really good. It's like little Pikachu tails and Pikachu and little, I guess, Pokeballs. And hopefully this is really good. So pick this up if you have it in your store. Okay, so this is the next thing that I grabbed. This is on sale for $3.97. You're going to get back $3 back, making this only 97 cents. And I honestly keep getting this because it's such a good deal for 3 packs of toothpaste. Okay, so this is the next item that I grabbed. This is the Chosen Foods 100% pure avocado oil spray. And so you're going to pick this up. It's priced at $4.58. It attaches to 2 rebates. So you're going to get the Chosen Foods cooking oil, which is $2 on Ibotta. And then it's also attaching to the Chosen Foods cooking spray, which is $1.50 back on Ibotta, making this only $1.08, which is a great deal for oil. Alright, so for the breakdown, let me see. Let me get my paper out. So it was $21.21 with tax. Ibotta gave me back $17.01. And then on Fetch, you're going to get back $2.75. Then you're gonna, I got a 50-cent yogurt bonus because I bought 3 yogurts. And so it gave me that 50-cent bonus. And then I had a 50-cent month May bonus. And then I had the $5 Ibotta bonus. And so after everything was completely free and a $4.55 moneymaker. Thanks for watching my channel. Let me know in the comments below which item was your favorite. And be sure to subscribe to my channel so you can see next week's deal. Bye!